Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm Alex and I'll take you through the updates for SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematic. SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2020 has new functionality to keep your data secure and accurate. Electrical users can be assigned to user right profiles or groups that control how much users can view and modify. Previously, 5 profiles with gradient permission levels were provided. Now in 2020, create new profiles and enable functionality access with one click. Administrators now have more granular control over user right access. Now looking at my reports, I would like to pass this bill of materials off to my part supplier. But I need to make some edits first. The headers are not standing out enough. I'd like to make the text bigger, but also add some white space above and below them. In 2020, in addition to changing the text height, you can define the row height. Select Fixed to set a custom row height or opt for minimum height to set an incremental value. I would also like to add row numbers to make it simple for them to read. Now in 2020, add rows to any report with the click of a button, making it easier than ever to get your reports ready. Row numbers dynamically update with filters and sorts or other edits, preventing errors. SOLIDWORKS Electrical is continually improving reports, making customized reports fast and easy. Text and balloons with the leader lines are a common method to convey design notes. New in SOLIDWORKS Electrical, add in these annotations with dedicated commands and a leader style manager. It's easy to finish design work and get products to market quickly with SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2020. In summary, we can customize user right profiles even further. We have adjustable row heights in reports. We have automatic report row numbers. And we see improvements to leader lines. SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematic. Keep data secure and customize reports with ease.